All right, so they say keeping a diary isn't only for kids. It's a great way to record your thoughts and it relieves stress, I'm told. So to start the new year, which started already, Empress will create her own journal.
So you're not all right? You're not do something too?
No, but you are so talented. I am just going
No, it's okay. I hope you come.
to... You'll help me
Tell the people what we're doing.
create a diary. But what we're supposed to do?
The front and the back.
Yeah, but tell me what... all right, you just tell me what to do.
I don't
and
know.
I will do it.
I don't know.
You
I'm
have
just...
it right there.
Oh, there's
See it right
notes?
there. Create your
There you go.
stack and then pile up 20 to 25 sheets. So we have 20 to 25 sheets. It's not a problem. Then what?
Then we put them together.
Wait, no, man.
But you don't need the paper to tell you that. So what you do is you staple on the top your cover, and the cover in the back, and then you have the paper in the middle.
Staple down the sides.
Yes, staple the sides.
So I'm telling you, man.
This is a good thing to do with the children at home while you have one more week at home with them. Teaching your children how to tell stories, how to write their thoughts or emotions. And it's a good and creative learning activity to have with your children.
We're done.
Oh, why is my staple not coming through?
Then what?
No, then you decorate the front, Neville.
Oh, I must decorate the front.
Yes.
Do it for the love. Do it for the love.
The staple not so nice on there. Okay, this is good. And then even in there, so I'm making this one to go home and give to my son. I know this. They say that this is good for adults, but it's also good for children. So there you go. This one is for Kush. I know my son is so watching it. You know, the other day when we did something, I got home and goes, Mommy, you beat Neville, Uncle Neville, you beat Uncle Neville. Remember when we were making the something, we're competition. Anyway, just want you to know that. This is a competition to see who has the best looking diary, right? Oh, no, I want the green.
No.
Oh, I have a feather. But I want the green. Okay. Never mind. Gosh. You know what? Mine's going to be a little different. I taught you something. You're very creative. That looks nice.
It's really nice to see if one of these mornings, when you give me some glue, that actually work.
This glue isn't working?
It's not working.
Yeah, you just have to give it time to sit.
Give it time to what?
Glue has to dry, Neville. Gosh. You have to give it time to dry, brother.
So I must just hold it down?
Are you talking? Or this glue not so hot, you know?
Oh, the glue not so hot. Okay.
Sorry. Staple it down, says the bright one.
This one going to be a challenge now, still.
You know, we just talked about posture. My back is hurting me.
Which would suggest?
I wonder if the producer will allow me to carry home all of this glitter so I can continue my work. Simple. Can we get a focus? This is Kush's. The mighty Kush. So then he's going to tell stories in this about being mighty. It's beautiful. We're going to take a break? Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go to a break. So this is something you can do at home with the children before school, and they can tell their stories about being wonderful, being great, helps with vocabulary, helps with their writing skills. This is what we call creative learning at home, and it's good to bond with your children. And if you want to write down your 2018 goals, my people, make a diary. It doesn't cost that much, all right? Just run and pick up some paper and borrow a friend's stapler, get some glue, and decorate. What does yours say? It's 2018, darling.
Last year diary.